Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how I achieved this beautiful double bun on my short 4C natural hair. So stay tuned. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so I will start by parting my hair into two sections. After that, I will go ahead and moisturize my hair before applying gel on my hair.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So I'll be using this Afro Kinky hair in the color 1B, but you can use any hair of your choice. So I'm going to split the hair into two parts. After that, I will grab each part in the middle and then use my hairband to create a knot, and then attach it on the natural hair bun we created earlier, and then use my bobby pin to secure it, and then do the same on the other bun.
Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, yeah. say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.